Sis, let's talk glow. At-home peels are taking over, promising glass skin from the comfort of your couch. But if your melanin is popping, there's a right way and a very wrong way to exfoliate. Want to keep your glow without unwanted surprises? Buckle up because we're breaking it all the way down. Listen, the days of needing a derm visit for that next level glow are over. Black-owned brands like Beauty Stat are dropping chic, high-performance peel pads that look as good on your shelf as they do on your skin. And let's be real, who doesn't want brighter, smoother, poreless skin while catching up on Bridgerton? But hold up, because the wrong move? It's giving, why did I do that? Your glow is sacred. Protect it, honor it, love it. But first, consult your skin's BFF. Even Rihanna doesn't wing it when it comes to skincare. So sis, neither should you. Dr. Caroline Robinson shares some amazing insights that lactic and mandelic acid, safe, gentle, your skin's new besties. But straight up glycolic, that's a whole roller coaster. Proceed with caution. Golden rule, patch test, babe. A little glow now is not worth weeks of hyperpigmentation later. Trust me, patience will have your skin thanking you. You are not in a rush. Your skin deserves time, care, and love. Dark skin loves peels when done right. Peels are actually safer for darker skin tones than laser treatments. But here's the plot twist. Over-peeling equals reverse Uno card. Go too deep, too often, and bam, hypopigmentation. Sis, nobody asked for ghostly white patches. Let's keep our color intact. Melanin is magic, but magic needs balance. Your skin is powerful. Your beauty is undeniable. Protect your radiance. The perfect peel routine. Let's break it down on how to do it right. Step 1. Consult a derm. Before you go ham with those peel pads, get expert advice. Your skin deserves it. Step 2. Start gentle, lactic acid first, then work your way up. Slow and steady wins the glow race. Step 3. Follow up right. Hydration, SPF, no excuses, and no over-exfoliating. Sis, moisturized skin is happy skin. Lock in that hydration and protect that glow. Your skin is a legacy. Treat it with the love it deserves. Not every trend is a must-try. Sometimes a solid cleanser, exfoliant and moisturizer already have your skin on 10. But if you're battling major hyperpigmentation or texture issues, okay, the peel path might be for you. Just do it wisely. You are radiant with or without a peel. Your glow is not a trend, it's your birthright. Glow smart, not hard. At home peels? Yes. If you do it right, respect the process. Your melanin thrives on TLC, not trends. Glow is a marathon, not a TikTok challenge, so take your time. Your beauty is deep, your glow is limitless, and no matter what, you shine. Now drop your favorite exfoliation hacks in the comments. Share to inform a fellow skincare lover. Tag us in your no peel reveal. Like if you want more melanin-rich skincare tea. And hit that subscribe button. Let's glow together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next